guys going out somewhere. So,
Ethiopia with the...
isip lang namin lumabas na asawa ko ngayon. But it seems like the weather is so bad. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung how it looks like here pag nagsa-sandstorm.
Now there Djibouti...
Really?
Yeah.
Djibouti.
So guys, look at
Why
the roads.
they didn't support the France people?
No.
Before, if you want to go to France or Europe,
See the roads.
our people, not my age,
How
my
the
old
storms are
generation,
everywhere.
before
Tapos
20
ang
years, something like
init-init.
that, before 20
Ang
something
ingay
years,
naman itong dalawang
people
to.
go to Djibouti, stay in Djibouti, and
We
they
prefer
will go
to go by
France
taxi kasi
and
pag Friday
outside.
mahirap maghanap
Before
ng
it's like
parking
that.
sa Dragon Mall.
Now,
Really?
So,
now he don't have even
ayan,
food.
ang asawa ko.
Food they don't.
Djibouti,
Yeah.
Baby, Djibouti, hoy.
I think it's for Somali, you telling me.
So,
No,
look
no,
at the roads,
Djibouti, I
guys.
thought
It's so
Djibouti.
bad.
Really? My goodness. Because the Emirati army is
It's there.
now is
See, grabe.
what is coming suddenly?
His name
You
Asaf.
see this one? Before 20 minutes, it's nothing. You know?
It's nothing.
It was good.
It's a sandstorm.
Goodness.
How long you're here in UAE?
Me?
Yeah?
I've been 5 years.
Oh, so you have seen this kind of weather already?
5 years.
No, it's a Dera, but Dubai not coming like that. Maybe this
Yeah.
place. And
No, because
once I know it's last year,
Nakita niyo,
last
guys. Oh my God.
global village. The end of the
Oh my
global
God.
village. Suddenly coming the rain.
Yeah, yeah.
I know that.
Because
Grabe.
yesterday
Oh my
it's raining
God.
in Al Ain.
Maalimbuka yung yung sand. Ayan,
Yesterday.
hindi na makita yung road. Oh my God.
Yeah. Finish. Because yesterday raining on Al Ain.
So
Yeah.
bad. But it's raining sands now.
If rain coming now, it's immediately
Oh my God.
we're gonna finish this.
See?
What is it? The
Ah,
summer,
it's
right?
raining at the same
summer is
time.
finished already.
Hey guys, it's raining also.
Yeah.
It's raining and there is sandstorm.
Last day.
Summer is finished 5 days now.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah,
Because this is star,
so
he come
they
out
said
now.
it's turning cold and the weather
Yeah,
is
yeah.
changing. See guys, you cannot see the road.
This is better. I'm not marking. If I pick customer, I go like this, U-turn, and
No.
I mean,
So
I
we're
can,
going
if
Dragon
I
Mall,
came that
but look
way,
at the
I
weather.
will go like that, right?
If I know it's like
and
this, I'd rather
U-turn
sit
from
at
the-
home.
Yeah. I know.
My goodness.
And guys, now look, it's raining. Now it's raining. Why the sudden break?
No, because
No,
this
it's
one
coming, you know, the
flying.
Those things are flying.
The white and the red one,
okay.
it's coming like this. Not
Si
only
Kuwela
the-
si Kuya yung driver. Oh. Kuwela siya. Muulan naman ngayon.
That is plastic, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So kanina, super sandstorm. Ngayon naman, it's raining. It's raining cats and dogs.
Yes. Only here.
Here? No.
Yeah. Because we will go this one. We not go inside here.